Hello everyone, Andrew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my review on another advertising platform which is proven to be quite effective, and it's called Traffic Ad Bar. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. I'd appreciate any comments down below. Without further ado, and with that said, let's jump into today's video. Now, as you can see, I already signed in to my account of Traffic Ad Bar, and you can also join it. It's absolutely free to join. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video, so if you'd like, you can join through my referral link. And the moment you sign up, which is a procedure quite the same as everywhere else, you will find a series of short tutorial videos guiding you through Traffic Ad Bar. But then again, if you have at least a couple of months trying or using advertising platforms online, then you will know how to navigate on this site as well. However, you can check out those videos too. Okay, so this is the dashboard of my account, and of course, as everywhere else, on the dashboard of an account you can find some general information which we are gonna get through it one by one. Okay, because today's video is going to be also a tutorial video for beginners, for those who use Traffic Ad Bar for the first time. Now, like I said, there are a lot of information here, so let's jump right back to it, and let's start on the top menu on the bar here. Now, I just want to say that I love Traffic Ad Bar as an advertising site, but the only thing I don't like is its colors. I mean, I don't like this yellow, I don't like this red, etc. But hey, it doesn't matter as long as gets the job done, right? And it's effective, right? So anyway, so this is the dashboard, this is the advertising menu, and this is the upgrade menu. Of course, in the left menu there are some other features. So again, the dashboard, your account. Now, in your account you can find general information about your account. You can edit your profile, you can edit your settings, etc., just like everywhere else. Okay, let's go to upgrades. Now, upgrades, the moment you sign up on Traffic Ad Bar for free, of course you automatically by default are a free member, but Traffic Ad Bar gives you the possibility to upgrade, and there are a couple of upgrades you can make, and of course you will gain more advertising resources if you upgrade. So let's check out the upgrade page, which you can find also here. Okay, so I'm not gonna go through every information, but you can imagine that if you there are 4 types of account: free member, pro lite, pro member, and platinum member. And of course it goes without saying that if you upgrade to platinum you will have the most benefits that Traffic Ad Bar can offer. Okay, but the upgrade part you can check it out by yourself. Now let's go to the advertising page, which is the purpose for this video actually. Now, as a free member, Traffic Ad Bar allows you to advertise a maximum of 5 URLs. I'm advertising at this moment 4 URLs. I had to delete the last one for some reasons, it doesn't matter. So you will have to advertise only 5 URLs. And Traffic Ad Bar has a feature called the ladder, which is kind of a pyramid, if you will, as you can see here. And this ladder, it has 16 level. It means that the more points you earn from Traffic Ad Bar by surfing pages, the higher in the ladder your URL will climb. And the higher in the ladder your URL is, the more traffic will be driven to that URL by Traffic Ad Bar. Okay, I hope it makes sense. So the higher the ladder, the more traffic you will get to your primary URL. So what does it mean? Because you already have 5 URLs, so which would be the one that would be primary is the one that you want it to be. So say if you have your URLs here and I want this here, the third one, to be my primary, all I have to do is click this button here like an arrow. Okay, and the moment I click this button here, automatically this URL will become my primary URL, and this will get the most hits and the most points from Traffic Ad Bar. Because you see, in order to earn advertising points, you just have to click here. You will go to this page, which is the surfing page. Now I am surfing another user's URL. Okay, and the thing that I love about Traffic Ad Bar is that you have to navigate on this page in order for the timer to run to 0 and in order for you to earn your advertising, your surfing points. Okay, so what that means is that if I click here to surf another page and then I leave the page, when I get back, I will see that the timer will be exactly where I left it. Okay, so it's not an automated surfing platform. You have to stay on this page, and this is quite efficient because you might find something interesting, or your visitor might find something interesting and might become your direct referral. Okay, so this is, and by the way, do not try to cheat, do not use an automated software to serve these pages, because once in a while you will be asked to solve a CAPTCHA. Do not try to cheat. Okay, so let's get back to the home page. I continue with other features, but basically is this: you put your 5 URLs if you are a free member, and you advertise those URL. Now, as you can see here, I got $1 in my account balance. Now, Traffic Ad Bar is not a money-making machine instead of an advertising machine, but of course you can earn commissions from your direct referrals when they upgrade to any membership. As you can see here, I already have 27 direct referrals, and one of them for this month upgraded, and I got my percentage according to my free membership. So this is basically it. Now you have some other features here, which are statistics or websites that you are promoting or the websites that you visited, and also the referring resources. Now let's go to resources. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 direct links, but I use only this one here, because when a visitor clicks on this link, what happens is that it goes to the page of the sign up page of Traffic Ad Bar, which now it doesn't show because I'm already signed in, but also it shows this bar here, my ad bar, and as you can read, Andrew just earned 3 points. So whenever a visitor clicks on this link, I earn 3 points. And this is quite effective and quite useful, because if you don't have time to surf on Traffic Ad Bar and earn points, then you can promote that particular referral link, and whenever a visitor clicks on it, you will get your points. As you can see, today I already got 400 points, but I only served those 2 pages I showed you in this video. I didn't surf any other pages before, or a day before, or before that even. Okay, because I'm promoting only this referral link through my promotion resources, sorry, and whenever a visitor clicks on it, I get points. And the more points you earn per day, the more hits you will get to your website. So this is it, guys. These are the important stuff you should know on Traffic Ad Bar. So it's the level ladder, the upgrade section, the surfing page, with which you should not use an automated surfing machine or try to cheat in order to gain as much points points as possible, and the advertising page where you can put your 5 URLs. And by the way, advertising a URL is quite simple. You just have to put the URL, put a title, write an add line 1, add line 2, and it will look just like this. And that's it, guys. So I suggest you surf at least 100 pages per day. It's 10 seconds per page if you want to get more visitors to your URLs, or you can promote the referral link with your ad bar so you can earn points whenever a visitor clicks on your link. And of course, don't forget to promote it as much as possible in order to get referrals and thus get commissions from their upgrades. Okay, so this is basically it, guys. These are the most important features that Traffic Ad Bar has to offer, but for me at least it has been very effective. Okay, so thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any question, you can leave it, you can use the comment section down below this video. Like I said, I will leave my referral link on the description of this video, and you can join Traffic Ad Bar too. It's absolutely 100% free. So with that said, again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video in order to help me grow my channel. Thanks again, guys, and see you in the next one. Cheers.